Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the concept of sensors. Okay, let's start. First, what is sensor? Sensor is a device that measures the physical input from its environment. It converts the physical phenomenon into a measurable analog voltage. In that case, physical phenomenon is nothing but a temperature, pressure, light, sound, and motion. Okay. Then sensor is an input device which provides an output with respect to a specific physical quantity uh, that converts a signal from an energy domain into a electrical domain. Then, importance of sensor in Next, the application of the IR sensor. The application of the IR sensor is the climatology and meteorology, gas detector, and water analysis and petroleum exploration and railway safety. These are the most IR sensor technology. But coming to the day-to-day life in malls or shopping centers, automatic door opening system. This is the IR sensor we used in the prototype model. It has the 3 pins, one for VCC, another ground, another out. VCC for power supply, second ground, third for output pin. Through the output pin only we get the IR output values, okay. And also it consists of the power LED and the object detection LED, okay. When the IR sensor connected to the computer or CPU, the power LED will be glow, okay. Then another LED is the object detection LED. When the object detector or the object is in front of the IR sensor, the object LED will be glow, okay. Then the other component, I connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to jumper cable. Then ground pin and then output pin, okay. Then I will connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the 5 volt. Then ground pin of the IR sensor to the Arduino Uno. Then output pin will be connected to the digital pin 2, okay. The Arduino Uno board is connected through the port, okay. It will be visible in the port. I will connect the Arduino Uno to the CPU through the port COM3, okay. Then we set the board. Here we use the Arduino Uno board. So board, okay, Arduino Uno board, okay. Then we set the Arduino Uno board, okay. Then verify the program, okay. Okay, there is no error. So done compiling. Next, upload the program to the Arduino Uno. Okay. Uploading will be indicated by the done uploading. Okay. Then next, we check the sensor values. Okay. In serial monitor, object not detected. Okay. So let's see the IR sensor. There is no object behind the IR sensor. So in the serial monitor, the output is correct. Object not detected. Object not detected. Okay. Then any object is in front of the IR sensor, I already told that the object detection LED will be glowing, okay. At the same time, the serial monitor, the output will be 0 and object detector. Okay. See, there is no in front of the IR sensor, so object detection LED not glowing. Okay. So next we will implement through the buzzer. In that case, I use the buzzer for the alert system. The positive pin of the buzzer, it is red pin. It is connected to the third pin of the Arduino. Then negative pin of the buzzer connected to the ground. Okay, hardware connection is over. Let's go with the program. Okay, so in initialization I use the third pin for the buzzer positive pin. So in that case we use int buzzer equal to third pin. Okay, then void setup. Okay, buzzer is the output. Okay, buzzer is the output. Why buzzer is the output? It didn't give the any input to the Arduino. So Arduino give the input to the buzzer. Okay, so buzzer is the output. So pin mode will be defined as the third pin. Buzzer will be connected to the third pin, comma output. Input or output. Okay, so buzzer is the output. So in that case I mentioned buzzer, third pin and output. Okay, then come to the while loop condition. If the I already told that object is present, the output will be 0. So the object is detected. I give the alert system. So digital write of third comma high. Whenever the object is detected in front of the IR sensor, the buzzer will be on, which means the buzzer will beep the sound. Okay, so if A equal to 0, the condition is true. It's come under the another function serial.println of object detector. I will give the delay to the serial monitor. So 1 second is my delay. Then whenever the object is detected in front of the IR sensor, the buzzer will be beep the sound. So digital write of third comma high. In that case we use high R1. Both will be used. Then if object is not detected, which means if A